My name is Pastor Akpabio. I come from Oron, in Oron local government area of Akwa Ibom State. I'm a Christian. I worship with the Christ Mandate Church. I'm a senior pastor in that church. Going back to your question, the relationship, the correlation between pastor and Ekpe member. When I came into the curator's office, I overheard the Prof telling you that Ekpe is not a cult. He was trying to explain to you what people say, often out of ignorance about Ekpe. And Ekpe is a societal play of Akwa Ibom, Cross River, and those people. And if you look at the scriptures, we are told that when Jesus Christ was 12 years old, he was taken to the temple according to the culture of the Jews. The Jews had a culture. We don't know what it is because we have not researched into it. We too have a culture, and Ekpe is projected as the minister, as the leader, as the judge of the people. Whatever Ekpe says stands sacrosanct among the people. And it's not always faulted in most cases. Even if any fault from Ekpe judge, it's human, not deliberate. So, as a pastor, I felt obliged to go among my people and really see what they believe and really understand why they believe that. And when I went to Ekpe, I saw that there was nothing fetish about Ekpe. It's all about science. It's purely scientific. And that's all I can say about it. So it has nothing to do with Christianity. It does not conflict in any way whatsoever.
So you decided to go into Ekpe as a pastor. It's not something you inherited or were raised with.
My father was a member of Ekpe. My grandfather, and in fact my great-grandfather was an INAM member in my area. So INAM, as the Prof tried to explain to you, was a strong man, a religious man, a powerful man who was respected, had good virtues in the society. So I think I'm inheriting something somewhere as I'm going forward. That's what
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you. Thank you, Doctor. Thank you, Doctor. I appreciate you. Thank you, Doctor.
What he has said tallies
with what
tallies with something I told you. Being admitted into Ekpe, those people who talk of Ekpe, they just talk of it now.
Now,
all this talk is from the culture of the Europeans who came here. You see, when I look back, I told you about the ceremony the ancient Romans called wearing the toga. The recognition of full citizenship. You can be if you are a free man, you are a citizen, automatically. But on very serious matters, nobody will think of you. What kind of citizen are you if when serious matters are being discussed, you are excluded? So the father, if a father is getting very old and he thinks he will die, he has a small boy, he will admit him into a so as to secure that recognition of his full citizenship. We have authority in this place. Then when he grows up, whenever Ekpe plays, if he comes along, someone who knows that he was admitted when he was a child will say, living.
Living. It's part of them.
That's how it is.
That's right. That is true.
So this boy's, this young man's father was a big man, and so he probably admitted him when he was very small. He doesn't need to go to the shed, do this, do that, but he's a member of it.
I've gone to the shrine.
And he doesn't need to renounce the. What are you renouncing? Ekpe is not a god.
That is a religion.
Yeah. Ekpe is not a god.
But it's a religion.
You should not have other gods besides me. Ekpe is not a god. Ekpe itself acknowledges God. I sang to him one
Yes, he
Ekpe
does.
song, the other day,
Seriously, he does.
which is an acknowledgement of the supremacy of God. Ekpe. I sang. It is a song that is sung both by the Efik Ekpe and Oron. Nanam song kwon no vasye no mi ori nanam song kwon no vasye no mi ori nanam song kwon no vasye no mi ori song kwon no vasye no mi ori.
What do I do for God?
Yes,
Gives me
what
mine.
can I do for God? For Him to give me somebody. That somebody doesn't mean
Anybody.
any idiot. To give me a man, to give me a person. Person is wealth. The thing is, what can I do for God? They recognize that it is Abasi. Nanam Songpo no Abasi. Abasi is not French language. It is not English language. It is not Jewish language. Abasi is Efik and Oron and Ibibio and Oron. They recognize that Abasi existed. And Ekpe is saying, what can I do for God? To give me a person. Person is wealth. That is an acknowledgement that it is only God that can give that kind of person, not anything you do on earth. What are the so-called Christians quarreling with? People who don't understand. They don't go down to understand anything.
Thank you, Prof.
Manamiti.
That's all. Manamiti. That's all.